Dear students, welcome you to session 18 video of the chapter Secondary Distribution of Overheads, 4th semester BCom Cost and Management Accounting of Mangalore University. In the previous session, we have seen the direct distribution method wherein the service department overhead costs are redistributed to the production departments only. In this session, let us understand the step ladder method. Now, this method is followed when various service departments are not interdependent. That means a service department provides its services to other service department, but it does not receive any service from them. So we call it as non-reciprocal. So step ladder method is one of the non-reciprocal methods which are being used to distribute the service department overheads to the various other department. So under this method, we find out the department which provide the services to other department. The service department which serves most other service department is taken first, and then its cost is apportioned on a suitable basis to other service department as well as the production department, and that service department is eliminated from further apportionment, and no further overhead costs are apportioned to that service department. Then the next most serviceable department is taken up and its cost is apportioned to the remaining department, and this process of distribution goes on or continues till the cost of all the service departments are apportioned. So the cost of the last service department, it is apportioned only to the production department. So first we find out the departments which provide services to other. The most serviceable department is taken up first, and its overhead costs are apportioned to other service departments as well as the production department. Then the next most serviceable department is taken. Its cost is apportioned to production departments and the remaining service department, and this process continues till the last service department cost is apportioned. Now, this method is called a step ladder method because the shape of the apportionment chart under this method looks like the steps of a ladder. That is the secondary distribution summary chart or statement. It looks like a steps of a ladder. Now, we will work out a problem. A problem is a manufacturing company has two production departments X and Y. It has three service departments, that is timekeeping, stores and maintenance. Department distribution summary, that is the primary distribution summary, shows the following expenses. X department is 12,000, Y department is 18,000. Timekeeping department 2,000, stores department 2,500 and maintenance department 1,500. There are 5 departments, 2 production departments X and Y and 3 service departments. So the service departments are timekeeping, stores and maintenance. Now under secondary distribution using the step ladder method, we have to distribute the overheads of these 3 departments, timekeeping, stores and maintenance. Now the information is available, additional information. It says that the number of employees are 20, 15, 8, 10 and 5. Number of stores 12, 10, dash, 3, and the machine hours 1200, 800, and for all other service department it is dash, it is nil. Now we should know the basis of distribution of overheads. Now timekeeping department, the basis of distribution of overheads is number of employees. Stores, it is the number of stores or the value of materials. Maintenance, the machine hours. Maintenance is for the machine, so machine hours. Now we can see that the timekeeping department, it provides services to all the departments. How can we make out that? So we have number of employees. Employees are there in all the department, X department, Y department, timekeeping department, stores department and maintenance department. So timekeeping department is the most serviceable department here because timekeeping department, the basis of apportionment is number of employees and employees are there in all the departments. And next you can see that the stores department is the next most serviceable department. So how can we make out that? So number of stores for X department, Y department, and for maintenance department also. So it provides, so stores department provides services to X department, Y department and maintenance department. The next one is the maintenance department. Here the basis of apportionment is machine hours, and we can clearly see that it is only for X and Y. So we have to apportion the maintenance department overheads cost only to the production department X and Y. So we have three service department. The first one is timekeeping department, the second one is stores department, and maintenance department. So based on the service provided to other departments, the first rank goes to timekeeping department, next rank is to stores department, and the last rank is for maintenance department. So the most serviceable department here is timekeeping, the next most serviceable department is stores department, and last most serviceable department is maintenance. So based on this order, we will have to apportion the overhead. Now we can see the secondary distribution summary here. So see the columns here. Overheads as per primary distribution. So first department is the most serviceable department, timekeeping. Next is stores, and then comes maintenance, then X and Y department. The overheads which are given: timekeeping department 2000, stores 2500, maintenance 1500, X 12,000, and Y department 18,000. Now what we'll have to do is we have to take this 2000 rupees, and that 2000 rupees should be distributed among the production departments and the two service departments, stores as well as maintenance. Now what is the basis for distribution? So here number of employees is the basis of distribution. 20:15:8:10:5. On that is the ratio. Now how do you find the ratio? 20:15, we need not take 8. 20:15:10:5, which can be simplified as to 4:3:2:1. 4:3:2:1. So it will be distributed like this: 400, 200, 800, and 600. Now the next department. So now we can see here stores department 2500 was there. Now timekeeping department's 400 rupees overheads is also added to this. So totally we have 2900 rupees. So next department which are taking is stores department. So the total of the stores department is 2500 plus 400, that is 2900. So minus 2900, and this stores department overhead should be distributed as per this ratio: 12:10:3 among X, Y, and maintenance department. X, Y, and maintenance department. So 12:10:3. So it will be 348 for maintenance department, X department 1392, and Y department 1160. You have to be careful with the ratio. So here we have written maintenance first, so it will be 3:2. Then we have written X department 12, and next is 10. 3:12:10. And now we can see here maintenance department originally had 1500, timekeeping department overheads 200, and now the overheads which has come, that is about stores department, is 348. So 1500 plus 200 plus 348, total is 2048. So this 2048 should be distributed among the X and Y department. So it is based on the machine hours, that is 12:8 ratio. So 2048 is divided as 1229 and by 819. And now we have to find the total of the overheads of X and Y department. They have completed all the service department. So we have 15,421, 10,579. Now at the end, when we complete the secondary distribution summary, the secondary distribution summary chart, it looks like the steps of a ladder. You can see here, these are like steps. So the first step here, second step, third step, fourth step. So that is why this method is known as the step ladder method. So under step ladder method, first we find out the different service departments and the most serviceable department, and on that basis we find out the next most serviceable department and the last most serviceable department. Based on that order it will be written, and then the overheads are distributed to other service departments and the production departments. And finally, when we complete the secondary distribution summary, the overhead distribution summary, it looks like the steps of a ladder, and we call it as a step ladder method. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Thank you.